70, chapter 7.3.2. The question number is 7-126. So let me have 10 minutes to count down. And so I would like to spend only 10 minutes. So for this question, Cassie wants to confirm her theorem on triangle mid-segments from lesson 7.2.6 using coordinates grid. She started with triangle ABC with A 0, 0, B 2, 6, and C 7, 0. Question A, graph triangle ABC on a graph paper. Question B, with your team, find the coordinates of P, which is the midpoint of segment AB. Likewise, find the coordinates of Q, the midpoint of BC. And question C, prove that the length of the mid-segment PQ is half of length of segment AC. Also verify that segment PQ is parallel to segment AC. So let's try. I will cut and paste this to below this. So let's do ABC first. Means question ABC. So let's do question A first. Take a look. A little big, a little smaller. Okay. So the first one is 0, 0. That's easy. So 0, 0 right here. I put A. Okay, B is, let's see, 2, 6. 2, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6 right here. That's B. Okay, I put the B right here. Okay, last one is 7, 0. 7 here and 0 here. Okay, I use a line 2 to connect those ABC. So A to B is here and B to C is here. Okay, now I put the letter C to make sure this is listed as C. Okay, now we have to find a mid-segment. I'm sorry, midpoint. With your team, find the point P, which is, so its slope is going to 1 and 3 up. And so the slope is 3 over 1. So it must be 6 over 2. So it must be, the midpoint must be right here. So I will maybe change the color right here. Okay, so this goes to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over 5. Let's see. Maybe I should use algebra, huh? So let's see. So even this one I could I should have used algebra to find out this. So I use this tool and A. I should write down A. So I can't write down this one. Pen tool A. Parenthesis 0, 0, comma 0. It's not comma. That's not good. All right. Now B. What does I write down B here? Let's see. That might be no good idea. So I will just come out this one. Where did it come? Oh, right here. So A is 0, 0. B is, it might be quicker to write. So let me write down B is, let's see. B is 2, 6. So I write down 2, 6. All you have to do is, sorry, parenthesis. All you have to do is, I usually make a line here. and add those two numbers. 0 plus 2 is 2, and divide by 2. Same thing here. 0 plus 6 is 6, divide by 2. So that should be the midpoint. So I put the parenthesis here. It's called P, right? So P is this value. So this is what? P is 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So let's take a look of this picture. 1 and 3. So that's midpoint P. So I write down P here. This way. Okay, I use the green marker. Now let's take a look of the other one. Between B and C. So B is right here. So maybe I should cut and paste if I can. Okay, so B is here. And C is 7, 0. So I'm supposed to use a green one. Good. C is 7 and 0. So what I told you, add x coordinates and divide by 2. So 2 plus 7 is 9, divide by 2. 6 plus 0 is 6. Put the comma here, divide by 2. So let's take a look. It's 4.5 here, comma. It's easier for you to look at. 4.5, comma, and 3. Put the parenthesis over this. Let's remove here. That must be between those two, which is Q. So I write down Q here. Okay. So Q is here. So 4.5 switches here, and 3. So it's here. So I use a green dot. Why? Green dot 4.5 and here. So I use the dotted line segment, which is a green one. So take a look. Alright, so letter B, as I did create the PQ. Alright, prove that length of mid-segment, segment PQ, is half of the length of AC. Okay. And also verify that segment PQ is parallel to AC. Okay. Now, let's see. 4.5, and this, the reason why it's, so you have to compare from here to here. A and C is from 7 to 0, so it's 7 here. Okay, so let's compare P from P to Q, or Q to P, Q on x coordinates. So 4.5 minus 1, which is 3. And from here to here, 4.5 minus 1 is 3.5. So I put 3.5 little character here. And I should change this one to green, so it's like lengths of the same. If I can move this. And obviously 7 minus 0 is 7, so I write down dark black 7. So it's half of 7 is 3.5. So that's a proof. Okay, half of the length of, so we just proved this. Okay, how come you could say they are parallel to P, segment PQ is parallel to AC? let me take a look of, okay, so y coordinate is 0 to 0 here, A and C. And P and Q have y coordinate 3 to 3. So it must be parallel to each other. And we made time? Did we make time? Oh, the bell didn't ring, sorry. So that's the end of this section. Thank you for watching.